Oh, thank you so much, Maggie.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Wow, there are so many of them.
See what I mean? The aliens are everywhere.
It's just a vegetable patch.
Look.
They kind of look the same, but...
Shh. I need to hear what Shane's saying.
OK then, let's get these back to the restaurant.
I'm glad they've found a home.
It says in here that the aliens move into your home, then they control your mind and turn you into a slave.
But Shane doesn't look like he's...
Ooh, so beautiful.
Uh-oh! I think they got Shane. What happens next?
They tell him to do what they command.
Well, these little fellas are telling me they're ready to be picked. They got Maggie too.
Ooh, come on then.
And Izzy! They're making them pick them up and put them in the boxes. What happens next?
I don't know. I haven't read that far.
Hurry up.
Then the aliens take over the whole town.
Everybody in town is gonna love this.
Watch out!
Phew, you. Jay, I can't believe it. But you were right about the aliens. Alien slime. I can't pull my foot up. They got me. Get off. It's on me.
Don't be silly. Your shoe's just stuck in the mud.
Yeah, I knew that.
Pull! Come on, Mario.
Oh, yuck. I've got mud on my trainers.
Forget about that. We've got to save Munchington from the aliens.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
25, 26.
There you are, Mario.
27.
Whoa.
Ow!
Mom, I was about to break my Keepy records.
That can wait, Mario. I need you to take this recipe over to Shane right now. It's for your Nonna's famous aubergine parmigiana.
Can't you do it? It's only over there.
No, I can't. I'm right in the middle of stock taking, and I'm asking you. Now go. Shane is waiting.
Okay.
Quickly now, and no messing with that ball until this is safely in Shane's hands.
Yeah, I get a go. Finally. 1, 2. I almost got 3.
You're doing it all wrong. Let me show you.
But your mum told you not to mess with the ball.
I'm not messing. I'm showing you how to do it properly. 1, 2.
The recipe!
Mamma mia! We've got to get that recipe back. There it is! I've got it! No, I don't.
Oh dear.
Almost.
Ow.
Jay, that's yours!
Oh no.
Catch it!
Hey!
Jay, get it!
What the? Get it off! Get it off!
Sorry.
Well, I guess.
Oh no.
Catch it! Get it! Here you go, Izzy.
Hey,
Over there.
bye.
Come on!
Yes. No.
Tickle my trawler.
The recipe.
Oh no.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Ooh.
Here you go, Mum. Thanks, honey.
Ooh.
Hello, Mario.
Ooh.
That is so not scary.
Oh, really? Then how about this? I'm gonna eat you. Eek, eek.
Still not scary.
Maybe you'd like to help us, Mario.
Okay, Mrs. Singh.
Happy Halloween, everybody.
Happy Halloween!
So what have you got planned for the party tonight, Shane?
Something special, Penny. Spicy pumpkin soup.
Sounds delicious.
All we need now is for Maggie and Izzy to deliver the pumpkins.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Woohoo! Whee!
Whoa!
Amazing.
I'm not sure 2-on-1 sledge is a good idea.
Of course it is. It will be brilliant.
Here we go! Mario, watch out!
Too
Amazing!
fast, too fast, too fast.
Hey! Watch out! Oh
That was awesome.
Can we do it again?
no! Aw, poor little things.
If they wander off any further, there'll be no chance of getting them back before dark.
Eddie could round them up for you.
Oh, he doesn't look like much of a sheepdog.
What's it doing?
I think it's hungry.
Aw,
Who wants a snowball fight?
I'm in. But first, has anyone got some food we could give this squirrel?
I didn't bring anything.
Mario brought plenty.
My lunch? But, how do we even know squirrels like ciabatta and salami?
How about if you win the snowball fight, you can keep it. But if I win, you share it with the squirrel.
No problem. I'll win easily. Ah, get off! Stop!
Well, I think we have our winner.
Whoopsie.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
That's it. Get stuck in.
Mario, stop it.
Oh, sorry, Izzy. Come on, Wormy. Come to Mario. I wonder what it's thinking.
Not much. They just eat soil one end till it comes out the other. Hey, look at this carrot. It looks like a dinosaur.
Haha, a Caratosaurus.
Oh, the ground's a bit stony around here, so when the roots hit the stones, the veg grows a bit wonky.
This one's like an octopus.
That's a turnip.
It's got tentacles.
Octi the octopus is going to trap you in his tentacles.
Hey, my Caratosaurus is a peace-loving herbivore.
With a big heart.
Right, we better get these packed. My customers will be waiting.
In you go, Octi.
Well, it looks great, Penny.
Yes, I think it's coming along nicely.
What are you painting, Sid?
You'll just have to wait and see.
Ready, Shane? The kids are on their way. They're going to help with the deliveries.
Sounds like the perfect time for my song.
Oh, no.
Oh, Maggie, what can I say? This is your beautiful veggie day.
Brilliant.
OK, let's go.
Roll up, come and get 'em. Maggie's lovely vegetable boxes straight from the farm to your doorstep.
Hey,
From field to fork, fresh, tasty veg.
Oh.
Maggie's lovely vegetable boxes straight from the farm to your doorstep.
Good boy, Mario. Oh, what is that?
oh, delicious. Oh, calm down, Eddie. It's just a courgette. Snake! Lovely. Ah!
Here he is, Shane the chef.
This is my land.
But Miguel, I'm hungry.
Ha 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 ha.
Oh no!
You have to share.
Too bad. Miguel the Marauder never shares.
This corn belongs to everyone. Get him, El Edo.
Whoa!
You are vanquished, Miguel.
Eddie!
You were all magnificent. Especially my Mario.
Mama!
You saved the day, kids.
Yay!
Yes, Eddie. Just what I was thinking. Where's the popcorn?
Coming right up. And I'm going to make corn on the cob too. Let's get cooking. Everyone, hush please.
Exciting. There she goes.
It's going crazy.
I think that's the last pop.
Hey!
Yummy.
Not so fast, Miguel the Marauder. That corner's for sharing, remember?
Oops. Sorry, Nino.